Sawadee-khop and welcome to my channel. My name is Adam and I'm learning how to speak Thai. In this video, I want to share what I've learned this week, the word Jai. This is my fourth Jai video where I will identify 4 new Jai words and how I can use them. Now let's begin. The first Jai word is Jai-raai. Jai-raai, which means cruel, mean or unkind. Jai-raai is a combination of two words, Jai and Rai. Jai is heart or mind and Rai is bad, evil, mean or harmful. When these two words are combined together, it means cruel, mean or unkind. So the first sentence example is Khun Jai-raai jang. Khun Jai-raai jang, which means you are so mean. Khun Jai-raai jang. Khun means you, Jai-raai mean, and jang is like so much or very. It adds emotions or emphasis on a sentence. Khun Jai-raai jang. The next sentence example is Khun Jai-raai gap phǒm mâak loei. Khun Jai-raai gap phǒm mâak loei. You are so mean to me. Khun Jai-raai gap phǒm mâak loei. Khun is you, Jai-raai means mean, gap is to or with, phǒm is I, mâak loei means so much or really. The word mâak alone means a lot. Khun Jai-raai gap phǒm mâak loei. You are so mean to me. The next sentence example is tham-mai khun Jai-raai gap phǒm jang. Tham-mai khun Jai-raai gap phǒm jang. Why are you so mean to me? Tham-mai khun Jai-raai gap phǒm jang. Tham-mai means why, khun is you, Jai-raai mean, gap to, phǒm me or I, and jang means so. Tham-mai khun Jai-raai gap phǒm jang. The next Jai word is Jai-rón. Jai-rón means hot-tempered, easily angry or impatient. It is a combination of the word Jai and Rón. Jai means heart and mind, and Rón alone means hot, temperature hot. Jai-rón. The first sentence example is khǎo bên khon Jai-rón. Khǎo bên khon Jai-rón. He is a hot-tempered or an impatient person. Khǎo bên khon Jai-rón. Khǎo means he or she. Ben is, am, are or to be. Khon is person, and Jai-rón means hot temper or impatient. Khǎo bên khon Jai-rón. The next sentence example is khǎo Jai-rón gặp thúk khon. Khǎo Jai-rón gặp thúk khon. He is hot-tempered with everyone, or he is impatient with everyone. Khǎo Jai-rón gặp thúk khon. Khǎo is he, Jai-rón hot-tempered or impatient, gặp with, thúk. Thúk means every, khon is person, and when we combine, thúk khon means everyone. Khǎo Jai-rón gặp thúk khon. The next example is phǒm mai ben khon Jai-rón. Phǒm mai ben khon Jai-rón. I'm not a hot-tempered person. Phǒm mai ben khon Jai-rón. Phǒm is I, my, not. Ben is am, khon person, Jai-rón hot-tempered. Phǒm mai ben khon Jai-rón. The next Jai word is Jai-yaen. Jai-yaen means calm, patient, not easily angered. It is the opposite of Jai-rón. The word Jai-yaen is a combination of Jai and Yen. Jai means heart and mind, and Yen means cool, as in cool temperature. The first example is very easy, is Jai-yaen. Jai-yaen means calm down or take it easy. I learned that I can use this whenever I want to tell someone, take it easy. Jai-yaen. Jai-yaen means calm, and Yen means calm or cool. So Jai-yaen, take it easy. The next example is khǎo bên khon Jai-yaen. เขาเป็นคนใจเย็น he is a calm person เขา is he เป็น is คน person ใจเย็น calm เขาเป็นคนใจเย็น The next example is ใจเย็นๆแล้วคิดอย่างรอบคอบใจเย็นๆแล้วคิดอย่างรอบคอบ which means calm down and think carefully ใจเย็นๆแล้วคิดอย่างรอบคอบ To break this down, Jai-yaen means calm, Yen means calm or cool, Láew means already, khít, think, yàang, in a way, rôap-khôap is a new word I learned, is carefully, rôap-khôap. Jai-yaen Láew khít yàang rôap-khôap, calm down and think carefully. The last Jai word for this video is Jing-jai. Jing-jai means sincere, honest, and genuine. Jing-jai, the word jai alone means real or true. Jing-jai. The first sentence example is khun Jing-jai gặp phǒm. Khun Jing-jai gặp phǒm. Are you being honest with me? Khun Jing-jai gặp phǒm. Khun means you. Jing-jai honest. Gặp with, phǒm me, my. This my is a yes no question. Khun Jing-jai gặp phǒm. Are you being honest with me? The next example is phǒm Jing-jai gặp khun. Phǒm Jing-jai gặp khun. I'm honest with you. Phǒm is I, Jing-jai honest, gặp to, and khun you. Phǒm Jing-jai gặp khun. I'm honest to you. The last sentence example is khǎo bên con Jing-jai. Khǎo bên con Jing-jai. He is an honest person. Khǎo bên con Jing-jai. Khǎo is he, Ben is con person, and Jing-jai honest. Khǎo bên con Jing-jai. Now let's do a quick recap on what I've learned. Jai-raai, Jai-raai. Khun Jai-raai jang. Khun Jai-raai jang. Khun Jai-raai gặp phǒm mâak loei. Khun Jai-raai gặp phǒm mâak loei. Tham-mai khun Jai-raai gặp phǒm jang. Tham-mai khun Jai-raai gặp phǒm jang. Jai-rón, Jai-rón. Khǎo bên con Jai-rón. Khǎo bên con Jai-rón. Khǎo Jai-rón gặp thúk khon. Khǎo Jai-rón gặp thúk khon. Phǒm mai bên con Jai-rón. Phǒm mai bên con Jai-rón. Jai-yaen, Jai-yaen. Jai-yaen, Jai-yaen. Khǎo bên con Jai-yaen. Khǎo bên con Jai-yaen. Jai-yaen Láew khít yàang rôap-khôap. Jai-yaen Láew khít yàang rôap-khôap. Jing-jai, Jing-jai. Khun Jing-jai gặp phǒm. Khun Jing-jai gặp phǒm. Phǒm Jing-jai gặp khun. Phǒm Jing-jai gặp khun. Khǎo bên con Jing-jai. Khǎo bên con Jing-jai. Next, I use ChatGPT for help to create simple dialogues using these 4 Jai words, and these are what I've got. Khun Jai-raai mâak. ขอโทษนะผมไม่ได้ตั้งใจJai-raai. คุณทำให้ผมเสียใจผมจะไม่ทำอีกแล้วทำไมคุณJai-rónมาก เพราะว่าผมรีบแต่คุณทำร้ายทุกคนขอโทษมากผมไม่ได้ตั้งใจผมโกรธมากใจเย็นๆนะแต่เขาJai-raaiมากเขาไม่ได้ตั้งใจคุณJing-jaiกับผมไหมใช่ ผมJing-jai, Jing-rô,ผมput Jai-jai. That's all for this video. I want to apologize if I didn't pronounce some of the words correctly. Nevertheless, thank you for watching. ขอบคุณที่ดูวิดีโอนะครับ